we can divide the products of Canon India Private Limited into maybe various verticals, say B2B and B2C. So we are represented from B2B side. We take care of product for B2B segment, specifically in the printing segment, which is basically towards corporate and government sector and SME segment. So coming to the printing part of thing, I'll just cover. Canon is coming up with a lot of new products for SME segment with the same capability which used to be offered in a high-end devices. To start with, I can mention the printing A3 multifunction devices with mobile printing, made with say talking about push scanning, to talk about more towards features like Wi-Fi printers. So at the entry level segment, earlier these products used to be only for high-end segment and the products are expensive. So to focusing on SME segment, delivering the same capabilities, we are coming up with the printing devices with all these capabilities. Coming to the color machines, we are coming up with the color machine with high GSM capabilities, which were not there in the entry level machines. So these are the basic products which Canon is planning to launch in this fiscal year, specifically focusing on SME segment.
See, today if you talk about SMB market is the fastest growing market today. When we talk about class A and B cities, they are more of corporates and more of the major government offices. The SMBs are across India. So today Canon is looking and focusing to go beyond category level B cities, C and D and E, where the small organizations, the SMBs are there. Then Canon is very much focused going to these category of cities and bringing the innovative products. So we understand the SMB organization, the products required are which fit into the requirement, which give the complete technological innovation to them, so that they are also they also move along with the industry. So printing part, of course, the Bhaskar Joshi will share about the products which he is bringing into printing. However, for digitization, the products I said in a personal and a work group category. So today there are small organizations where the scanning requirement is not too high. So we say the personal category, one is the P201, which is my personal scanner. You go a step ahead. The product is called P215, where you can scan 20 pages per minute, where the scanning volume is not more than 100 pages in a day. So SMB plays a very important role today. We are bringing many products addressing to those SMB requirements.
We have various plans and enablement of our partners to cater to this SMB segment. Regarding the product, as I earlier mentioned, that we are coming up with the partners and as well as products which can cater to SMB. To start with, as I mentioned, that all this SMB have an aspirational value to work like a big corporate, and they want to use the same technology as I mentioned about, say, Wi-Fi printing or mobile printing, or they want a maybe connection of devices to the send folders of our organization. So all this thing kind of capabilities we are planning to bring it in an entry level device. So at a lower cost, this SMB can enjoy the same kind of feature which were earlier used by the large corporates in a bigger machines. First of all, expansion of channel is one of the big thing which is in our radar. So right now, if you look at, we have around 220 channel partners, specifically focusing on OIS business, which is Office Imaging Solution business of Canon. So our plan is to expand our channel reach from 220 to 280 partners by end of this financial year. Secondly, Canon also believes in training their partners to take care of this future technological trends which are going on, that is mobile printing or Wi-Fi thing. So we are first of all recruiting our new channel partners. At the same time, we are enabling these channel partners in B and C class towns to take care of this new technological development, so that they are ready to serve our SMB customers. And another thing I just want to tell you, Canon has a unique practice in a channel business for this printing device. We have a concept that sales and service is done by same partner. So person who is selling the product, he also should have a service setup. So earlier it was going good because we were present in almost 100 towns in India with our channel partners. servicing almost around 700 locations throughout India. So now as we are expanding, we are making it sure that we will not only get the sales partners, we will also get, in these smaller towns also, we will have the same concept of sales and service partners, so that our sales as well as a service backup for our customer is also strengthened, and we reach to each and every corner of this country. Okay, it depends, because if you look at the recent trends, be it A4 MFDs or A3 copiers, now you'll not find, especially in A3 copiers, any kind of a, say, single function devices. So in future, obviously these corporates, when they are investing in a particular device, they want it should give all the capabilities of this multifunctional device. So future, if you look at going forward, say another 2-3 years down the line, you will find the single function printers or copiers will go away, and the market will be complete MFD for the general usage of, say, office documentation need. Concerning scanning and everything, as Jasprit also told, there are different kind of scanning which are project based. We did achieve our numbers, and we have shown double-digit growth in last year in terms of office imaging solution division, and we are very we have a robust plan to continue our growth story in India, and we are looking for at least double-digit growth in this physical year also. And as you know that Canon has been #1 in this A3 multifunctional devices from 8 years. We want to continue this thing in future. Challenge per se is there is no challenge as such, because Canon per se is in looking for expanding their reach and other things. The only thing is when we go to, say, C or D or E class towns, finding a partner who is ready to invest in the service setup initially is a concern, because they are a little bit wary and getting those kind of manpower in this E and D class town which can technically sound, those engineers which can rectify our product. That is a little bit of challenge, but with the support of Canon towards this, setting up their service structure and helping them recruit the people in those locations, we are maybe overcoming this challenge.
So regarding scanning part, we are looking to go and educate people in different verticals. So we go across cities. We plan about and tell about how scanning can help every organization, how scanning can help our partners, which they go and further educate their customers. So we have planned to do a go to every market, talk about the scanning, where it is required, how it is required, how it benefits the organizations. So our the go-to-market strategy is talk about the benefit-based requirement than the product-based requirement to the market.
Okay, coming to the multifunctional device, if we are expanding to D and E class towns, so we'll be focusing on this IT reseller market. And these resellers to promote our product, and we'll connect with those people to have a better penetration in this D and E class town.